Most people think chicken is just one thing, but there are dozens of different types, and you're probably choosing the wrong one. And one of them? It's way juicier, but almost nobody orders it. Let's start simple. A whole chicken is the entire bird, nothing removed. It's great for roasting and meal prep. But most people don't cook it this way anymore, because once you cut it, everything changes. Chicken breast is the most popular cut. It's lean, high in protein, and easy to cook. But here's the problem. It dries out fast if you overcook it, which is why many people prefer this next one. Chicken thighs. They're darker, higher in fat, but much more flavorful. And they stay juicy even if you cook them longer. Now the part everyone loves, chicken wings. Small, crispy, and packed with flavor. But they're not just one piece. They're split into flats and drumettes. Next are chicken tenders. These come from under the breast. They're soft, quick to cook, and commonly used in chicken strips. Then you have drumsticks, the lower part of the leg. They're affordable, juicy, and great for grilling or frying. But chicken isn't just about cuts. It's also about how it's prepared. Fried chicken is crispy on the outside, juicy inside. One of the most popular styles worldwide. Grilled chicken is lighter, less oil, cleaner taste, and often used in healthy meals. Rotisserie chicken is slow-cooked while spinning. That's what makes it evenly cooked and extra juicy. And then there's shredded chicken. Cooked and pulled apart, used in tacos, salads, and sandwiches. So chicken isn't just one food. It's a variety of cuts and styles, and each one tastes completely different. So next time you order chicken, ask yourself, are you choosing the right one?